Alright guys, welcome back with this Beta FPV Iron Quad Ace Pilot Educational Kit. Now the cool thing about this is, unlike the other one that I tried, it had a funny name, something like XH something. I'm sure that's an awesome kit too, but it was not my speed because I didn't know how to bind it to a remote. So as cool as it was, I could do absolutely nothing with it. And I was forced to return it. But this, on the other hand, comes with a case and everything. Wow, this looks premium. So, let's do a quick unzipping instead of an unboxing and see what's inside here. Whoa, this looks cool. So it comes with the goggles, the drone, and the remote, everything. Alright, in the next video I will dive into this a little bit deeper, but thanks for watching and see you soon.
Likey.